Hey!
Hi, welcome to RK Photo Magic Tricks.
Have you ever sat through a PowerPoint presentation?
Boring.
That's what I used to say. But then I met Arshir and RK, who have totally brought PowerPoint to life by teaching me how to create and animate. They've shown me how to transform my PowerPoint using 3D, sports graphics, TV graphics, and news graphics.
Wow, that's actually really cool.
I know, right? It can be used for school and college presentations, for personal bios, social media, for personal picture galleries, product galleries, and for corporate presentations.
So what things can Arshir and RK teach me to do?
The father and daughter duo can teach you how to make animated 3D graphs, 3D pie charts, 3D arrows, 3D buttons, 3D pyramids, infographic charts, tree diagrams, SWOT analysis, timeline diagrams, oval call-out charts, brain diagrams, roadmaps, freehand charts, and many more. But wait, that's not all. Arshir's insistence has meant that for kids, they are now also teaching how to have fun with your own pictures.
That's awesome. What effects can I add to my photo?
Using PowerPoint, they can teach you how to make tattoos effects, draw sceneries, and animate them. Change dress colors, change eye colors, color or streak hair for a funky look, replace broken teeth, create a horror look, or even do makeup in your own national colors. Making pictures dance to their specially created theme song is the icing on the cake.
Amazing! I can't wait to start using PowerPoint with Arshir and RK.
Exactly. PowerPoints don't have to be boring. They can be so exciting. Everything you have just seen was made in PowerPoint. Unbelievable, but true. All on PowerPoint. And this is just the tip of the iceberg, as other 3D PowerPoint chapters involving how to enhance, beautify, and bring your own family pictures to life are sure to blow your mind away. For example, something like making the clouds move in your still picture, or making unwanted people vanish from your image, and replacing background with video, enhancing and sharpening pictures as old as 25 years, and creating 360-degree scenes effects. Using 3D effects, such as making a jumbo jet appear as if it is flying in your still picture, is something no one else has ever tried to do using PowerPoint. But they can teach you. They can also show you how to create a foot-tapping, fast-paced family picture album dancing to their peppy African theme song.
Let me introduce you to the father and daughter duo who are responsible for coming up with such an innovative and easy-to-understand online tutorial system. First, meet Arshir, RK's daughter. She is 10 years old and studies in 6th standard of a very reputed school in South City 1, Gurgaon, India, and she is probably the world's youngest teacher of online Photoshop tutorials. After being featured in the news worldwide for her teaching skills, Arshir was felicitated and given a certificate for her teaching skills in Phoenix by the Education and Human Resources Minister, Republic of Mauritius, Honorable Dr. Vasant Banwari Ji.
Oh, we forgot to introduce him. Meet Rajesh Kalra, Arshir's father, who is christened RK in Africa, where he made India proud by conceptualizing and executing the world's largest soap carpet. And along with African pop diva Grace Nakamura, composed Uganda's first corporate anthem, which was reported extensively in the worldwide media.
After simplifying Adobe Photoshop in a never-before-done way, Arshir and her father are on a mission to simplify and beautify PowerPoint presentations like never before. They will teach you many secrets of using 3D techniques in PowerPoint.
Oh, they have prepared nearly 30 professionally recorded tutorial chapters using fully fledged studios, lights, high-definition multi-cameras, chroma setup, expert compares, professionally written scripts, and a theme song written by RK and recorded in Africa.
The online tutorials will be accessible and understood by anyone, irrespective of race, creed, gender, age, country, or language, as they will be loaded with specially written English subtitles, which can be translated with acceptable accuracy into French, German, Spanish, Afrikaans, Japanese, and any language which YouTube subtitles and caption options support.
I hear you ask, why is RK doing this? One day, RK saw a professional digital photo album. It was something like the look-back pictures with music, which took the world by storm, and he thought everyone would love to have a professional presentation of their family picture album. But who can afford it? Then he thought, why not just make my own family album? If there was a fun and exciting program accessible and available to everyone, people would love it.
He knew it needed to be simple, entertaining, editable, secure, and easily translated. RK discovered PowerPoint would do all that if you knew how to unlock the secrets. So he sat down and learned every aspect of PowerPoint. Now, this father and daughter are on a mission to teach the hidden secrets that will make PowerPoint come alive for you at home.
RK also has a bit of history with PowerPoint. Here is his story.
When I was younger, I was asked to create a presentation that would impress superiors and clients. I used PowerPoint, the only accepted mode of presentation at the time. I didn't know how to use PowerPoint properly and ended up with a very boring, average presentation. No one helped me or taught me that PowerPoint would do so much more than you think.
So when asked why he was doing the tutorials for free, RK said, I could have done so much better in my PowerPoint presentation if I had known what to do. Now I want to use my knowledge to help young people who want to be professionally successful. They can use my tricks to make mind-blowing PowerPoint presentations and step up the ladder in life. Secondly, God doesn't accept the currency and wealth we earn here. Only our name, because of our good deeds, stay.
And if all the amazing effects were not enough, RK pushed himself further to create a foot-tapping anthem for PowerPoint tutorials, which makes learning more entertaining. Don't forget to like and share our RK Photo Magic Tricks Facebook page and RK Photo Magic Tricks YouTube videos.
As knowledge, happiness, and good deeds are the only things that multiply when shared.
So, do a good deed by spreading the free knowledge around.
And let's all join in wishing good luck to this father and daughter duo.
Best of luck!
Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.
Look for RK.
Let's go!
If you want to look beautiful, if you want to look wonderful, your body can change it right away. Look for RK. Your photo can look better from your picture happily. I'm gonna do the same, yeah. Look for RK.
.3D PowerPoint Tutorials by RK Photo Magic Tricks. Made in India, appreciated the world over.